Here's our MyWorks Montessori lesson on the introduction to the decimal system. There are two parts to this lesson, each part being very important. This is your child's first time really being introduced to the golden beads. The golden beads are going to be used almost for endless numbers of math lessons and activities. So what this will help your child understand is number placement. It's going to help them understand later on when they see the physical number of 1,111, they'll understand why each number is in the place it's in. But really what this is about right now is introducing them to the materials, and the second part of this lesson will be introducing them to the numeral and the units themselves. All you will need is a tray, can be any tray that will fit the material. We've cut up felt to represent units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. The reason this is important is the entire math curriculum is based in these colors, and it just helps your child, it helps solidify for your child the number placement and the value. So we have a green felt with 1 unit, blue with 1 10 bar, red felt with 100 square, and green with 1,000 cube. And here's how you show your child. Okay. When you do this lesson with your child, make sure your child is sitting next to you, because you're going to be introducing to them this concept and you're going to want to hand it to them. Here's what you'll do. With your child here, you will hand them, this is 1 unit. Hand it to your child and have them put it down. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 units, or 110. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens, or 100. This is 100. This is 1, 2, 300s, 400s, 500s, 600s, 700s, 800s, 900s. This is 10 hundreds. This is 10 hundreds, or 1,000. And then you can put it back. This is 1 unit, 110, 100, 1,000. Once you've introduced the unit beads to your child, and if they're still showing interest, you can do this next phase, which is the second part of Introduction to the Decimal System, introducing only the number that is associated with the unit beads. This says 1. This says 110, or 10. This says 10 tens, or 100. This says 1,000. Now that you've introduced the numeral and you've introduced the quantity, this next lesson is going to show the association between both the unit and the numeral. And you'll hear me say, this says 1, this says 10, this is 1, this is 10. It's because The numeral is not 1, it's the symbol for 1. So it's really important to differentiate that. And the importance of this lesson is just how concrete it is. There's nothing abstract about it. 1 is 1, 10 is 10, etc. So this is the last phase of the introduction to the decimal system. This is 1 unit. This says 1. This is 10 units, or 110. This says 110. This is 10 tens, or 100. This says 100. This is 10 hundreds, or 1,000. This says 1,000.